Khyentse's demise sparked a wave of grief, reflection and solidarity across the Tibetan community and among supporters across the world. Peaceful demonstrations, prayer gatherings and rallies were held across Asia, Europe, North America, Australia and New Zealand. His life was honored and a collective commitment to the Tibetan cause was renewed.
Free Tibet now! Free Tibet now!
With calls for independence, human rights, the preservation of Tibetan identity and the return of His Holiness the Dalai Lama to Tibet.
He is taking this non-violent action for independence, for Tibetan freedom.
The worldwide response served as a powerful reminder that despite decades of hardship, the Tibetan spirit remains unbroken. United by hope and determination, Tibetans continue their peaceful struggle to ensure that the voice of Tibet is neither forgotten nor silenced.